Halloween is kind of weird because you could have a million things that you need to do, yet you're cramming in making a dog loofah costume. Basically, we asked Brooks what he wanted to be for Halloween, and he said a duck. And so I kind of ran with that. And now we're all wearing duck themed costumes. Actually, not duck themed, but bath time themed, because I was like, rubber duck could work. Okay, I'm gonna try the safety pin route on here. We have some tulle. So tonight my parents are coming over to actually help like pass candy out to trick-or-treaters, while just so that TJ and I can actually go with Brooks trick-or-treating for the first time. Pearl is gonna be a giant blue loofah. Petunia is gonna be a giant pink loofah. I'm just gonna be a bunch of bubbles. And TJ also, I think, is gonna be like a big duck. Our neighbors said that last year they had like 85 trick-or-treaters, so we'll see what this year brings. If you're wondering what this giant wall is, this is our latest project in our house. I really have been wanting since, this has been like since we first bought the house. I've never been a huge fan of like wide open concept layouts, and so putting in like this like transom window wall is going to allow a lot of natural light in, but it's also going to kind of segment the house a bit and make it feel like a true living room without feeling like you're also in the kitchen. But this hopefully will still, obviously let in a lot of natural light because it's just going to be glass. And I mapped out some tape layouts for window grids that might work. Also for this costume, we are making a wagon into a bathtub. This will also be fun because there are some neighbors who we have not met yet, and the ones that we haven't met yet have kids that Brooks can possibly play with. So I'm excited to hopefully meet them. Halloween should be a national holiday. So when Brooks said duck, we kind of went with the rubber duck theme, and the dogs are going to be dressed as loofahs. They're going to love that. We also have a wagon here that looks like a bathtub. I just have a jacket that has balloons all over it. I'm going to be Bubbles. So this is my bubble jacket. Halloween was a success. Brooks really enjoyed it. It was kind of hot though, so he only wanted to wear his costume for like a little bit. We did meet our neighbors with kids, which is exciting. I loved them. Their kids are a little older than Brooks, but they still got along great. This is Paw Hero from a company called Finn, and it's this balm that we use on our dog's paws to help with cracks, and it helps with allergies. I feel like I never share. For some reason, Petunia's in all my videos. Pearl is actually getting a professional bath right now, so I'm gonna pick her up and she'll be so beautiful and shiny. But this is a balm. If you have a dog who has like tendencies to have like cracked and dry paws, this is the best product. It smells amazing too, and I like to use it on my own hands. But it has olive oil, chamomile, white beeswax, and just ingredients that are lick safe and plant-based. So I don't know if this is like a Great Dane thing, but Petunia's paws are very dry, so it absorbs quickly, so that also helps with it being lick safe. Sorry, girl. Oh, this one is very cracked. And also, thank you to Finn for partnering with me and providing a 15% off discount code for this. I'm going to link to it in the description, and the code PrettyPines15 will provide 15% off your first order. Girly swirly. Are you ready to go pick up Pearly? I am ironing on letters to sweatshirts to make matching custom sweatshirts for my dad's birthday and Brooks. So my dad's grandpa name is Bop and his name was Pop, but Brooks made it Bop. And on Thursdays, Bop comes over every Thursday morning and we call it Bop Day. So I have letters for these sweatshirts to say Bop Day, and I have an extra large for my dad, a little baby size, toddler size for Brooks, and they're both gonna say Bop Day, and then we're gonna go over for dinner tonight for his birthday. So that is what I'm doing right now. I think it's gonna be so cute. These are really beautiful sweatshirts too. This is like, let me show you what we're working with. So we just ironed on from the inside out. I got these letters from Amazon. The sweatshirt is from J. Crew Men's, and it's like a really good quality sweatshirt. But okay. How cute is that? Does it look good? Does it look straight?
Shirt like yours. It says Bop Day.
Yeah.
All right, so I went to Target today and I probably stood there for like 20 minutes in that same aisle. It's the day after Election Day for those who do not live in America. So I just needed a mental health moment. So yeah, found some cute chargers. I also found these, love them. They're $10, the perfect size. They're so cute. Also decided to put wreaths on every front door or every front window of our house with a red bow. And this is like the perfect red color. It actually is very similar to these. Speaking of bows, I also found this. This is a tree topper, and this is actually like a big version of this. So, because it has like the same clip and everything. So this is a tree topper, but I think I'm actually going to put it in the middle of this window, which I'll show you in a second. The last thing that I found was this tablecloth. I thought it was just a cloth tablecloth, but it's actually like a wipeable one, an easy care tablecloth, which would be perfect for Brooks because he's quite messy. And I just found out we are going to be hosting Thanksgiving at our house, which will be, it's exciting. Like it's a lot of pressure, but I think it'll be really fun. So this bow, I'll show you where I want to put it. Right in the middle up there. And it's like the mom version of those.
No, to the right, yeah.
Okay, I went with a smaller bow. It just felt right. There's a lot of bows happening. This is not fully decorated. I just kind of put some base like decorations on there. But you can see that this room is blue. We started painting this to like a neutral color because we knew we did not want it blue. And I already have the paint to paint this a different color. So I think I'm going to try that tomorrow because it's the weekend tomorrow. And I think it'll look good. I have some inspo images that I've saved with a dark green trim. I'm starting to remember why I can never do this like these pearl strands. There's all of these like really classic images that I've seen of like, it's kind of nostalgic and like old fashioned, I guess. It's kind of not realistic with a almost 3-year-old. I think I'm also gonna get a real tree for a totally different room. That will be our more like casual tree. It'll go in our living room. Yeah, I'm excited to paint this room, hopefully tomorrow. I think it'll be a good, relaxing, peaceful activity after this last week. Okay, I have this old book. I think this is from like 1993. It's called A Country Christmas, and we do not live in the country, but I'm very inspired by the style and just how charming and cozy everything is. So this book, I can't remember where I saw it. I just love the classic like ways to put decorations up. Well, kind of like that. So cozy. So yeah, I'm going to paint this window tomorrow. I'll make a video about that because, well, it's probably gonna take me forever. All of those details in the window, and then I wanted to wallpaper the room, but it hasn't come yet. I feel like painting this window green is the home equivalent of getting bangs for the first time. But thank you for watching. And I hope that you do something this weekend that brings you joy. If this week was sad for you, I can relate. But I will see you next time. Hopefully this room will be painted, and thank you again so much for watching.